Hey, you stupid bird, you can't eat this banana. Hey, this is my banana, you stupid bird. You stop that, right now. Oh man, that was my banana, and now you are eating it? I did not wish to share this with you. This is for my potassium, not your potassium.
Fuck you. You didn't want me eating this, you shouldn't have put it at peak level.
Oh man.
Fucking stop me.
Oh man. Stupid bird. You're so stupid.
Says the person who's holding the banana in front of me.
You don't even have the thumbs.
Don't need them.
You have
You're holding it for me.
you have the talons. You can't even open a banana. You would have to peck through it. Like some kind of idiot. Stupid bird. So stupid. So stupid.